I think one of the things that we're trying to do, and why you're seeing more smaller firms pop up is because there's a lot of demand, I think, on the founder side for, a different, more boutique type of investor. I mean, we see a decade from now being a much larger firm and a much bigger fund, but always sort of really taking that boutique approach and really sort of understanding that founders are looking for capital partners that are bringing obviously a check, tons of experience, relationships, but most importantly, people that they can trust, right? When you're thinking about who do I want to have on my board? Who do I want to have in my corner? Who can I expect to have my back for the next, decade long journey that we're embarking together on? And I think that's really why we've seen a rise in smaller funds, with, maybe smaller GP partnerships where people can really sort of identify a specific type of partner that they want to work with for the future, right? Versus some of the bigger, more standard traditional venture funds. For us, a big differentiating factors is we're one of the only venture firms out there with two Black women GPs, right? There are very few, as you guys know, the venture in general is not exactly a very diverse place. And what that means is that startups don't have, great options for building diverse cap tables. Nobody wants to not have options around the types of investors that they can go to for investment. So we're helping to solve that.